Today I'm going to show you how to put this thing together. Before we get started though, we need to make sure we got all the pieces. So make sure that you have two leg extenders, the mounting base, the support rods, the cushion, and of course all of the hardware. You can take a snapshot of this if you need to. Most people want to start by attaching the mounting brackets, but that's not the right way to do it. We're not going to do that. The right way is to start by building the base. Now that we have the legs created, the next step is to build the leg extensions. Start by assembling the leg extensions flat on the table with the holes facing each other. Okay. Assemble the rod with the base. And then you screw. And then of course, do the other side. And then screw. All right, now we have our leg extender base complete, right? This will now get inserted right in here. So the next step is to put this clamp assembly together. It is a bit tricky, but we do have some tips for you. The first tip is to make sure that this is loose because you're going to need enough space in between there. Thanks. The next step is to put the clamp assembly together, and the reason why you have that space is because this washer needs to go in between that. But here's a quick way of doing that. Basically, holding the washer here, bringing it in, you slide it all the way in, and then it goes right on in. And the next step is to attach the nut. As you're tightening, the most important thing here is don't tighten it all the way. You want to leave some room so that this perfectly clamps down and holds this and keeps it from moving. Of course, do the other side exactly the same way. Now that we have the base completely assembled, right? The next step is to take this base and flip it over onto the cushion. But before we do that, there's one more thing. Take your knobs and screw them in. Do that first. By doing this, it keeps this from moving when we flip it over. Okay, now that they're both secure, we can flip this whole thing over onto the base. Let's do it. All right, it's going right on the base. This is why it's better to start with the base, because it's one single solid piece. Line up your base with your holes, of course, and then begin screwing. With your hands at first, until you get all four of them, then you can use your screwdriver. Quick. Then you can use your tool. All the bases are tightened down. Next step is to put the feet. Do this for all four sides. All right, all four sides are in. Next step is to flip it over. All you got to do at this point is just go ahead and tighten everything up, make sure this is leveled, and you're pretty much done. Now you're ready to tattoo.